अस्तु महोदय, आरम्भं करोतु। सर्वे कृपया म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु।
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनाधीनमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवाद महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय। Astu, are there any questions about the homework or the test that happened?
They're still correcting that Pariksha Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
You didn't get back. Okay.
Yeah. I checked several tests, several of the answer sheets. I didn't check every single question. I was mainly focused on the last question, the Vibhakti question. Everybody got most of the questions right. So my main worry was whether the concept of Vibhakti was properly understood or not, because many of you expressed some confusion when we introduced the topic, but I think you all get it now. And over the next 7-8 weeks, we are going to do the remaining vibhaktis. We are going to go into details about when to use, how to use each vibhakti. So that should give you sufficient practice. And of course, the homework assignments will also give you plenty of practice. So by end of July, August, all of you should be good at Vibhakti. I'm confident of that. But if you have questions in the meanwhile, you should feel free to ask either on Signal or in the class or during the tutorial session. So I'm getting a lot of good feedback about the tutorial sessions. Several concepts that you may remember to ask later, or as you do your homework, things arise, questions arise. People have said that when they attend the tutorial classes, things are clicking in place. So please make every effort to attend these tutorial classes. These are all meant for all of you. Yeah, my sincere recommendation is to attend the tutorials also. We have one on Friday evening, one on Saturday morning IST. So either of them, whatever is convenient for you, please attend them. Regarding homework, I know the homeworks are getting a little longer, and the homework from Vibhakti Vallari are slightly tougher than Bhasha Pravesha or RSS T1 books. I understand that, but this is to take you to the next level. If there are words that you don't understand, concepts that you don't understand, again, please ask either in the tutorial class or on Signal. I usually respond to any question very quickly. And if not me, there are so many others. Even the graders are in our Signal group now. I have seen Lavanya Mahodaya and others respond to questions very quickly. So we are all around the globe. So whatever time you post a question, usually you get a response almost immediately. So don't hesitate to ask questions.
Bhanu Mahodaya, one question. One of the things in the new homework that is coming up is, I think it's a lot of new words. So is there a, what would you suggest to look up meanings, etc., quick way, or and also how to see sometimes that spoken Sanskrit site, etc. It's very complicated to understand also what it means, and I think something around that will be helpful.
Astu. We were planning to do one session on how to use the different dictionaries. We held on, we stopped that only because we didn't cover vibhaktis until now. So some of the dictionaries would be useful only when you understand vibhaktis. But now that we have covered vibhaktis, we will spend 10-15 minutes next week going over the different dictionaries. But in the meanwhile, please ask questions on Signal. That is the whole purpose of creating that group. Yeah, I know there are new words that are being introduced in Vibhakti Vallari. Like I said, it is to take you to the next level. You will get bored if you keep doing the homework from Bhasha Pravesha and RSSD1. You are all well past that stage. I have seen your homeworks, I have seen your test papers. I know that you are past that stage.
I have a question. This is regarding the numbers. So 350 and 750, how should I say? Like, I know that it's Pancha Shatadika Trishata Rupakaihi, like that I wrote, but I don't know whether it is correct or not.
So who wants to try 350 and 750? Try.
Kosha Sanskrit has given us some clues there. It says Sarda Trimshat, something like that, Trimshatam. So that's what I have written. I've referred the Kosha Sanskrit today, that part, and so Sarda Trimshatam and Sarda Sapta Shatam or something like that. So for 750.
It is like the clock. It is like the clock. Like for 7:30, we say like Sharda Saptavadanam, like that. We have to do like that.
Sarda Saptashatam. Sarda Saptashatam is also fine. 750 or Panchashat Adhika Saptashatam.
Satyam. You can say it both ways.
Dhanyavad.
So don't wait till the class to ask such questions. Ask them on Signal so everybody else benefits from that. Astu, anything else? Okay, we have a lot to cover, so let's. Sudha Mahoday, Pruchatu. You don't. I can't always see all of you, Mahoday. So if you have a question, just unmute yourself and ask.
What is the difference between Pustakam and Pustika?
Pustakam is, they're actually both books only. Pustakam is Napumsakalingam. Pustika is Akaranta Strilingam. Usually, Pustika refers to a smaller book, but in practical usage, they are used interchangeably.
Mahodaya, Pustika is for the notebook.
Like I said, in practical usage, people use both the terms interchangeably. But you are right, technically you are correct. At least in today's life, people use Pustakam or Pustika. If they want to use Strilinga, they use Pustika. They want to use Napumsakalingam, they say Pustakam. Astu. Let us start our class. So we studied Trutiya Vibhakti. Who wants to say the forms for Rama, Sita, Nadi, and Phala? Usha Mahoday.
So for Rama, it's Rama, Ramena, and Ramaihi, Ramabhyam, and Ramaihi. For Sita is Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. For Nadi is Nadyam. No, wait, let me see. Nadi is
Satyam, Nadya.
Nadya, Nadibhyam, and Nadibihi.
Nadibihi. Phala.
Phalam is Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalaihi.
Uttamam, Uttamam. So I showed, or I told you about two patterns when we talked about Tritiya Vibhakti. Does anybody remember what those two patterns are? So Napumsakalinga.
Masculine and neutral would be same, and then and the feminine and the Ikarant would be more or less, yes, same.
Astu, Satyam. So say, let us use Sanskritam terminology. Let's say Pumlinga, Napumsakalinga. That way, when you encounter those terms, it will be easier. Satyam. So Napumsakalinga and Pumlinga, Tritiya Vibhakti to Saptami Vibhakti, they are exactly the same thing. Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalaihi. And as we saw before, Chaturthi to Saptami also, they are exactly the same. They match. The other thing is,
Vivachana is for both.
Uttamam. Vivachana is the same for all three lingas. Ramabhyam, Phalabhyam, Sitabhyam, and Nadibhyam. So if you remember Bhyam as the ending, then it is the same for all three lingas. So Dvivachana is the easiest thing to remember. And you will see in the next class, the Dvivachana form for Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, and Panchami Vibhakti, it is the same. Ramabhyam, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi, and Panchami for Dvivachana, same thing. Sitabhyam, Nadibhyam, Phalabhyam, etc. So the easiest thing to learn is Dvivachanam. That's why we usually teach it at the end. Astu. So with that as the background, let me share my screen. So Ramabhyam, Sitabhyam, Nadibhyam, and Phalabhyam, Uttamam. And we also saw Tad Shabda, Satte, Sahataute, Tamtautan. And when you do Etad, you simply add A in front of the Tad Rupa to get the Etad Rupa, except for Prathama Ekavachanam, where it will be Eshaha instead of Esaha. Same thing for Strilinga, Satetaha, Tamtetaha. Again, for Etad, just add A in front of the Tad Rupa. Napumsakalinga is the easiest, Tattetani, Tattetani. And the Yad Shabda, they rhyme the Tad Shabda. Sahataute, Yahayavye. Tamtautan, Yam Yavyan. Same thing for Strilinga, Yayayaha, Yamyayaha. Napumsakalinga, Yatyayani, Yatyayani. Kim Shabda, it rhymes again the Tad Shabda. For Pumlinga, it's Kahakauke, Kamkaukan. Strilinga, Kakekaha, Kamkekaha. Napumsaka, Kimkekani, Kimkekani. And finally, for Asmat Shabda, Aham Avam Vayam, Mam Ma Avam Nau Asmannaha. So please remember the alternate forms also. Most of the time we use Mam, Avam, Asman only. But when you do shlokas or read Bhagavad Gita, the alternate forms are used. So please remember the alternate forms also.
Bhanu Mahoday, in this that Sahana Bhavatu and Sahanau Bhunaktu, this is the Na and Now, right?
Satyam, Satyam. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahanau Bhunaktu. So it's between it's what the teacher and the student pray for the two of them. So may the two of us learn from each other. May the two of us not fight. May the two of us have a lot of good things happen to us, things like that. So it is this now. Satyam.
Bhanu, one question. Did we do the Uttama Purusha also for the Tritiya Vibhakti?
Uttama Purusha, no. We are going to do it today.
There was one question in the book.
Evam va? Okay. Again, don't wait till the class. Please ask on signal. That way I can help you. Okay, so we studied Tritiya Vibhakti for Rama, Sita, Nadi and Phala. Let's do that same exercise for Sarvanama Shabdas today. So for Pumlinga, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. That is what we learned. So as you can see, for Tad Shabda, it rhymes. Tena, same as Ramena. Ramabhyam, Sabhyam, Ramaihi, Taihi. So the meanings are also the same. So always, or one of the uses of Tritiya Vibhakti, as we saw, is Upakaranam or Sadhanam as an instrument, right? And it applies to all three vachanas. So Ramena, so by Rama or with Rama, Hastena, Aham Hastena Bhojanam Khadami, I eat with hand. So like that, the Tad Shabda is also the same meaning wise. So Chhatraha Tena Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. So the student goes to the school with him. Who is him? We don't know, we don't care. Somebody, him. Pronoun. In English, we have he and him, right? Some faraway person. So, Chhatraha Tena Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. The student goes to the school with him. Tabhyam Saha. So, with two people who are male. And then Taihi Saha. With those many males. So, Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Hastena Hastabhyam Hastaihi. So if you remember the Rama Shabda well, if you learn it well, then the Tad Shabda is easy. It follows the Rama Shabda almost in all Vibhaktis and all Vachanas. There are a couple of exceptions. I will point those out to you as we encounter them. But at least in Tritiya Vibhakti, it's the same. Tena Tabhyam Taihi. So, if you put all of this in a table, along with the concepts we learned earlier, Sahataute Pradhama Vibhakti, Tam Tautan Ditiya, Tena Tabhyam Taihi, Tritiya. And Etad is simply adding a in front of these forms. So, Etena, Etabhyam, Etaihi. Tena is with him, somebody who's far off. Etena with this person who is close to us, close to the speaker. Prashnaha santi va? Spashtam?
न महोदय.
Astu. Kim Shabda. So Kim is Prashnarthaka. It's used to ask a question. So Chhatraha Tena Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. The student goes to the school with him. But if we want to ask with whom does the student go to the school, we would say Kena. So Kena is the answer or one possible answer. The question is Kena, with whom or with what, or by whom or by what. So Chhatraha Kena Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. With whom does the student go to the school, or with what does the student go to the school? So the answer could be Tena Saha or Etena Saha or Agrajena Saha. With him, somebody who's far off, with Etena, with this person, or agrajena with his older brother. So again, kena rhymes with ramena, rhymes with tena, etena, agrajena. So these are all rhyming. And when we see yad shabda, you will notice it will be yena yabhyam yaihi. We will come to that in a second. So kena is ekavachanam, kabhyam dvivachanam. Chhatrah kabhyam sah vidyalayam gacchati. With which two people does he go to the school? Tabhyam saha, with those two. Etabhyam saha, with these two. Agrajabhyam, with two older brothers. Or it could be two older sisters also, right? Agrajaya, agrajabhyam, agrajabhihi, agrajena, agrajabhyam, agrajaihi. So it could be two older brothers or two older sisters. And then kaihi saha, with whom, with many people, whom does he go to the school? Taihi saha, those people, etaihi saha, with these people, or agrajaihi saha, with his older brother. So, kena kabhyam kaihi, tena tabhyam taihi, etena etabhyam etaihi, ramena ramabhyam ramaihi, agrajena agrajabhyam agrajaihi. They all right.
Mahodaya,
Purushyate.
I think tabhyam you need dirgha there.
Ma'am, satyam, satyam. Typo. I will fix it, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadah. Astu. So, kaha kauke kam kaukan kena kabhyam kaihi. Clear? Any questions? Astu. Let us do a small abhyasa. Sukanya Mahodaya, please start us off. So, take the first, this is the karta, whatever is in the first box. The last box is the kriya. Convert what is in this box, in the middle box, to Trutiya Vibhakti form. Add the saha or vina, whatever is necessary.
Okay, so saha, janakaha. So I start with the Tritiya Bhakti Vibhakti.
So keep this as the same. Keep this first and third boxes. Keep them as it is. Convert what's in the second box into Trutiya Vibhakti form.
Tena.
Start with this. Okay, let us start with an easy example. Janakaha. So same as Chhatraha. Chhatraha tena saha vidyalayam gacchati. That is what we studied as an example. So like that, Janakaha. So
I didn't get it, Mahodaya. I need one example. I need another example.
Astu. We will come.
Shall I try?
Prashant Mahodaya, try. Prayatnam karot.
Janakaha eten sah vanam gacchati.
Janakaha etena saha vanam gacchati. And if you use this saha,
in place of saha, etena I have used.
So if you use eshaha, it will become etena. But if you use saha,
Etin.
Tena.
Tena. Tena saha.
Etena.
Tena. With saha, okay. So saha taute. So what is given in this is the prathama vibhakti form. Ekavachana. Saha taute. So Trutiya Vibhakti form will be Tena Tabhyam Tai. So that's what you have to convert.
Jankaha ten sah vanam gacchati. Jankaha tabhyam vina vanam gacchati. Jankaha etai no sorry tai sah vanam gacchati.
Uttamam, uttamam. So Janakaha tena saha or etena saha vanam gacchati or tabhyam vina vanam gacchati taihi saha vanam gacchati. Uttamam, uttamam. So Sukanya Mahodaya, do you want to try now with Draupadi?
I'll try with the kaha shabdaha. Draupadi kena Draupadi kena saha khadamaha.
When you say kaha, so when you say maha ending for a kriya padam, what will be the karta?
Maha for the padam.
When you see me as a khadami, when you see the karta ending with me, the kriya ending with me, karta will be always aham. When you see kriya ending with maha, karta will always be vayam. Always, no exception. So you cannot say Draupadi and Khadamaha, it will not work. Or you cannot say Vayam and Pibati, it will not work. If you see Maha as a Kriya Pada ending, the Karta will always be Vayam. If you see me as the Kriya Pada ending, Karta will always be Aham. Punaha prayatnam karottu, Sukanya Mahodaya. Try again.
Vayam kena saha khadamaha. Sorry. Vayam kena khadamaha.
What does that mean? Arthaha saha.
Vayam is we. We all. Kena is what?
With what? Not what. With or by what?
Okay, by what? Khadamaha. How do we? With what are we eating?
Eating. Uttamam. Uttamam. Do the Dvitiya and Dvivachana and Bahuvachana for the same kaha.
Vayam. So the Dvitiya will be the Prathama will be aham, right?
No. Keep this as the same. Don't change anything here. Don't change anything here. Only change this. So Vayam. So you said Vayam kena saha khadamaha. Now convert with two of what and with many of what.
Okay. Vayam kabhyam Vayam kabhyam saha khadamaha. And Vayam kaihi saha khadamaha.
Uttamam. Kena saha khadamaha, kabhyam saha khadamaha, kaihi saha khadamaha. Uttamam. Prashnaha santi.
Should the saha always come with this or?
No, only if it makes sense. Saha and vina are optional, like we saw in the last class. So, chashakena, chamasena khadami. With a spoon, I believe. In that case, there will not be a saha. Vayam.
Now, Vayam kena khadamaha.
Satyam. Answer would be Satyam. Aham kena khadamaha. Vayam kena khadamaha. Vayam chamasena khadamaha. Satyam. So Vayam kena saha khadamaha means who are we eating along with? So let's say we are eating with friends together. Vayam kena saha khadamaha. Along with whom are we eating? In that case, it will be saha. But if you want to talk about just the spoon, the instrument, vayam kena khadamaha. Both are correct. Is that clear, Mahoday?
Yes.
Any other questions on this? Let us look at Strilinga. Same thing. The meaning is the same, and where it is used is the same. The forms are different. So for Sita Shabda, we saw Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. So just like for Pumlinga, if you learn Rama Shabda well, you can answer the Sarvanama Shabda forms. For Strilinga also, if you know Sita Shabda well, you can do the Tad, Etad, Kim and Yad Shabda easily, because they all rhyme. Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. If you had it as Sita Shabda, for Tad Shabda it will be Taya, Tabhyam, Tabhihi. So Chhatraha Taya Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. The student goes to the school with her, whoever it is, some female. Tabhyam Saha, with those two females. Tabhihi Saha, with those females. And if it was Etad Shabda, Etaya, Etabhyam, Etabhihi. Simply add A in front of these forms. So, Taya, Tabhyam, Tabhihi.
In this both are Tabhyam.
Both are Tabhyam. Pumlinga is Tabhyam, Strilinga is Tabhyam.
How to say that it is Strilinga, Pullinga? Because it's Chatraha.
So we can. So Chatraha does not. Tabhyam doesn't depend on Chatra. Tabhyam is the Tritiya Vibhakti. So you can only know from the context who is the student going with.
So it can be Pullinga also, no? Student goes with the certain females. That's why I was saying.
Correct. We can only know from the context. Just by looking at the sentence, we cannot know.
No, since you are written females, student goes to school. That's why there is no context here now.
Atra tu context nasti. I wrote female because we are studying the Strilinga. Satyam. Good observation. So for Pumlinga, we said Tabhyam also. Same thing. Tabhyam Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. In that case, it was two males. I am providing the context here. So likewise, when you are reading a story or when you are reading a shloka, you will get the context based on that.
Here it's simple sentence, that's why we didn't get a context.
Exactly. Correct. Satyam. Any other questions? Astu. Taya tabhyam tabhihi, etaya etabhyam etabhihi. Same thing for the prashnarthaka. Kaya kabhyam kabhihi. We studied taya tabhyam tabhihi. The prashnarthaka also rhyme. Kaya kabhyam kabhihi. So Chhatraha Kaya Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. With whom, female whom does the student go to the school? Taya Saha, with her. Etaya Saha, with this woman. Agrajaya Saha, with her, with his older sister. Same way, Dvivachana Kabhyam Saha, with two of whom does the student go to the school? Tabhyam Saha, with those two females. Etabhyam Saha, with these two females. Agrajabhyam Saha, with his two older sisters. And Bahuvachana Kabhihi Saha, with who, many who. Tabhihi, Etabhihi, Agrajabhihi. Prashnaah santi va? Astu. So Kaya Kabhyam Kabhihi. Those are the forms. And because this is a Sarvanama Shabda, there is no Akaranta or Ikaranta. So this is not different for Nadi Shabda versus Sita Shabda. This is a Sarvanama Shabda, pronoun. So any female. So Kake Kaha, that female, those two females, those many females. Kamke Kaha, to those to that female, to those two females, to those many females. Kaya kabhyam kadihi, by or with that female, those two females, by or with those two females, and by or with many females. So it could be Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi as an answer to Kaya kabhyam kadihi, or Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi. So please remember, for Sarvanama Shabda, there is no notion of difference between Akaranta Strilinga and Ikaranta Strilinga. It doesn't make sense. Even in English, it doesn't make sense, right? Her or this woman. So this or her, there is no notion of any other thing. It's just a pronoun. Let us do an exercise. Same thing, keep this words in the first block unchanged, keep the third block as it is, change the words in the second block to Tritiya Vibhakti form in Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Here what is given is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Usha Mahoday, Shishuhu.
Shishuhu Taya Pibati. Okay.
Satyam. Dvivachana and Bahuvachana.
Shishuhu Dvivachana. Shishuhu Tam. Tam.
Taya, Tabhyam, Tabhihi.
Oh, not Dvidiya. Okay. Shishuhu. Yeah. Shishuhu Tabhyam Pibati. Shishuhu Tabihi Pibati.
Uttamam. Arthaha kaha? Meaning?
Shishuhu Taya means Shishuhu drank that. One thing.
Drank?
Pibati?
Drinks.
Drinks. The one thing. Shishuhu.
No. Not that one thing. With that. We are talking Tritiya Vibhakti. With or by.
With. Okay. Shishuhu drinks with one thing. Shishuhu drinks with two things. Shishuhu drinks with more than two things.
So, for example, with that thing, instead of saying that thing, if he said kupi, so bottle, right?
Okay.
So try the same thing. Instead of sa, let us say it was kupi.
Shishuhu kupya pibati. Shishuhu kupya saha pibati. Shishuhu kupibhyam saha pibati. Shishuhu kupibihi saha pibati.
I think in this context, saha is not necessary. Kupya pibati. With the bottle, he drinks. Kupi bhyam pibati. Kupibihi. So same. So if he wanted to say that bottle, we would have said kupya, kupibhyam, kupibihi. If we don't want to say bottle, or we don't know what it is, we want to say with that, taya, tabhyam, tabihi. Uttamam. Anupama Mahoday.
Mahodaya. Bhimaha etaya yuddham karoti. Bhimaha etabhyam yuddham karoti. Bhimaha etabhihi yuddham karoti.
Artha kaha?
Bhimaha eta.
Etaya.
With her.
With her.
Fights with her. Goes to war. Etabhyam is with those two and many.
Satyam. Bhimaha etaya yuddham karoti. Etabhyam etabihi yuddham karoti. But it makes more sense to use saha in this case. Bhima never fought with women. So etaya saha. With this, along with this, yuddham karoti. So that thing could be gada.
Gada.
Bhimaha gadaya saha yuddham karoti. Along with the gada, he fights. Gadabhyam gadabhihi. So etaya saha etabhyam saha etabhihi saha. Uttamam. Uttamam. Hemanti Mahoday. Antimam karotu.
पाचकः तया सह कर्तयति.
Do the prashna.
Okay. पाचकः कया सह कर्तयति. पाचकः काभ्यां कर्तयति. पाचकः काभिः कर्तयति.
अर्थः कः?
A cook is cutting. What is he cutting with? Cook is with two he's cutting.
But Prashnartha form. What two is he cutting?
Okay, what two is he cutting? Oh, is it what two is he cutting? Okay, what?
No. With what two things is he cutting?
Right. Okay, what two things? And a cook. So and with many. No. How do you put that in question? Cook is what many things is cutting with?
With Prashnartha in a question form. With what is the cook cutting? With what two things is the cook cutting? With what
he's cutting, and with many things he's cutting.
So the response, the answer could be kartari, for example.
Kartari. Kartarya kartayati. Pachakah kartaribhyam kartayati. Pachakah kartaribhihi kartayati.
Uttamam. So if we don't know the word for kartari or we want to know what he is cutting with, we would say kaya, kabhyam or kabhihi. The answer could be kartari, kartarya, kartaribhyam, kartaribhihi.
Yeah, if we are saying two things, when you ask a question saying kaya kabhyam, say for example, so we can say churika and what is the other one?
Churika bhyam.
Churika bhyam, or we can say two things, churika and one more and cha. No.
Churikaya kartarya. What are you trying to say?
No, we asked a question with what two things he is cutting. Say for example, and we want to say churika and kartari. So can we say churika kartari cha kartayati?
But Satyam, but would you say Churika and Kartari, or would you use the Tritiya Vibhakti forms of those two words? You have to use the Tritiya Vibhakti.
Okay.
So you have to
So
use
yeah, so we have to say Churikaya, Kartariya, Cha Kartayati. That's okay.
Uttamam. Because your answer doesn't need to be always two nice, two of the same thing. It can be two different things.
Okay, yeah.
Kartarya, Churikaya, Cha Kartayati.
Okay.
Uttama prashna. अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? Astu. Let us look at Napumsakalinga. As we said, the Napumsakalinga form is the same as Pumlinga form. So for Pumlinga, we saw Tena Tabhyam Taihi. So same thing, Napumsakalinga, Tena Tabhyam Taihi. So Sa Tena Prayanam Karoti. So one of the things we saw in the last class was we can use Tritiya Vibhakti to indicate Prayana Sadhanam, how people travel. So he travels by it, whatever it is, we don't care. Tena Prayanam Karoti, he travels by it. So it could be Vimanena, Lokayanena, Relayanena, it doesn't matter. Tena Prayanam Karoti, Abhyam Prayanam Karoti, by those two. Taihi Prayanam Karoti, by those many. Again, Tena Tabhyam Taihi, same as Pumlinga, Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Again, for Etad Shabda, you simply add A in front of them to get Etena, Etabhyam, Etaihi. Prashnarthaka, again the same as Pumlinga, Kena Kabhyam Kaihi. Kena Prayanam Karoti, by what does she travel? Kabhyam Prayanam Karoti, by what two does she travel? Kaihi Prayanam Karoti, by what many things does she travel? Again, the answer is the same as Pumlinga forms. Tena Prayanam Karoti, Etena or Vimanena. With that, with this, or with a plane, or by a plane. Tabhyam, Etabhyam, Vimanabhyam, by that, by this, or by two planes. By those two things, by these two things, by two planes. Taihi, Etaihi, Vimanaihi, by those many things. Etaihi, by these many things. Vimanaihi, by many planes. Tena Kabhyam Kaihi, Tena Tabhyam Taihi, Etena Etabhyam Etaihi, Vimanena Vimanabhyam Vimanaihi. They all rhyme, so it's easy to remember. Tena Kabhyam Kaihi, same as Pumlinga. Tena Kabhyam Kaihi. Astu, Bhavani Mahode, Arambham Karotu.
Chatraha Chatraha Tena Patati. Chatraha Thabhyam Patati. Chatraha Taihi Patati.
Arthaha kaha?
Student reads.
What is student reading?
Student reads with this.
With
student
that.
Reads with, yeah, with these two.
Student
two. Reads
those
two, and student reads with
those.
all. Many of those.
So what could be one possible response instead of Tena? If you want to be more specific, you could have said
Pustakam.
So what will be the three forms?
Pustakena Patati. Chatraha Pustakena Patati. Chatraha Pustakabhyam Patati. Chatraha Pustakaihi Patati.
Uttamam. He reads by one book, by two books, and by many books. Or Or if you are not sure, or if you want to be non-specific, tena tabhyam taihi. Uttamam.
But pustakena patati is not right, no? Meaning in a logical way. Pustakena, by pustak we are reading a pustak, but we are not reading by a pustak. Like we could say maybe upanetrena patati, means with the spectacles I am reading or something like that, right?
So you can't translate from English and expect it to be true in Sanskrita. So this is how it is used in Sanskrita. You can say pustakat pathati from the book. That is also possible.
I guess also pustakam patati, like reading the book, right?
That is straightforward. Yeah, understood. But pustakena patati was difficult to understand. But okay.
Satyam, I understand what you are saying. We could have said
with the help of book.
Pustakat patati, that will be the normal English translation. Pustakat panchami vibhakti, from. So he reads from a book. That is true if you are using it in that sense. But as Ramesh Mahodaya said, with the help of a book, he is reading. Pustakena patati, with a book, he is doing the abhyasam. Pustakena abhyasam karoti, with the book, he is doing the abhyasam.
My medicine from upstairs.
Probably like pustakena patati, sanganakena na patati.
Satyam.
When you are reading with the book, not with the computer.
Not with the computer. So the context is slightly different, so the meaning is slightly different.
Okay. Understood.
Astu. Kavita Mahoday, etat karotu. Kridalu. It should be kridaluhu. It should be kridaluhu. I'm missing a visarga.
What is the meaning, Mahodaya? Kridaluhu?
Player. Male player.
Sportsman.
Male sportsman.
Kridaluhu etena kridati. Kridaluhu etabhyam kridati.
Oh, I didn't need this, but that's fine. Let's call you.
Hemanti Mahoday, please
mute.
Hemanti Mahoday, please mute yourself.
Sports person is playing with this one object. A sports person is playing with two objects. Etabhyam kridati. And kridaluhu etahi kridati. Sports person is playing with these many objects.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Kandukena kandukabhyam kandukaihi.
Kandukena kandukabhyam kandukaihi. With the ball, two balls.
Also be mitrena saha, mitrabhyam saha. It can be, no?
Satyam.
Thank you.
Because mitram is an apumsakalinga shabda, friend. Vijay Meenan Mahodaya, antimam karotu.
Aham kena sivyami. Okay. So, stitching, is it? Stitching. Okay. Aham kena sivyami. Aham kabhyam sivyami. Aham kaihi sivyami. So, meaning with what am I stitching? With what one thing I am stitching? With what two things I am stitching? With what many things I am stitching?
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Then.
Prashnaः सन्ति वा? Astu.
Kena becomes whose also, no? Kena means whose also it becomes, no? Kena, no?
No. Whose will be Shashti Vibhakti. Of whom, Shashti.
Okay.
So, with, here we are talking about with or by something.
Okay.
Bhanumade, when we are in answer to this, if we say two different things, I was thinking like Churika and Kartari. So we can also say Churika Kartari Bhyam. In that way also, Churikaya Kartarya Cha. Those are the.
You have if those two words, either combine them into one word and convert that combined word into Tritiya Vibhakti, or say those two words individually in Tritiya Vibhakti. So you cannot say Churika Kartari Cha. You have to say Churikaya Kartarya Cha.
But can we say Churika Kartari Bhyam? Like we can't combine those words, you're saying?
You can.
That is it.
Yeah. Sanskritam is flexible. If you want to create a new word called Churika Kartari Bhyam, Kartari, theoretically you can do it.
So we shouldn't combine to indicate that it is these two things. That's what it is.
So you have now created a new object that is a combination of Churika and Kartari, and you are cutting with those two new objects. If you say Churika Kartari Bhyam, means that new object Churika Kartari is a new object, brand new object.
Two of those.
Two of those objects.
No, they are good.
Patented object.
Patented object.
So that answer to Mr. Mr. Menon's question can be aham suchikaya sivyami. Is that correct?
Here it is Napumsakalinga. You have to. Suchi is a Strilinga.
Strilinga. No. So I will answer. If you know the answer, if you don't know the answer, you can ask Kim. You can ask the Napumsakalinga. Kim is used to indicate Napumsakalinga, but it is also used when you don't know the linga of the object. So it is used in both cases. So the answer could be Suchikaya. It could be.
Suchikaya sivyami.
Satyam. Or you can use the equivalent of that in a Napumsakalinga. Whatever that word is, I'm not recollecting any word for a speaking object in Napumsakalinga. Yantrena, some yantram, some object.
Swing machine.
Swing machine. Yantrena sivyami or Suchikaya sivyami. That is also correct.
Is it Suchikaya or Suchya?
Suchya, I think. Suchya. Yeah. Suchika is a compass. Suchika is a compass, I think.
Suchya.
So needle is Suchi. Okay. Then Suchya.
Suchika is a compass because it has a needle that is pointing, right? Suchika.
So, yeah. Yes. Dhanyavad.
Now let us look at your favorite word, Yad Shabda, the one that is always confusing. So let us pay a little more attention and try to understand why it is so difficult. Yad, in its various forms, simply means that which, right? So the boy that is there is my friend. In English, if you want to say the boy that is there is my friend. Tatra yaha asti saha mama mitram. So in Prathama Vibhakti. So the boy that is there or the boy that is playing is my friend. I can say that. So the same thing in Samskrita, is done by yad shabda. Yaha kridati saha mama mitram. Whoever is playing, he is my friend. So that is the context in which we use the yad shabda. So whoever is doing, or to whomever something is happening, or with whomever or whatever something is being done, that is my friend, that is my spoon, that is my brother, my sister, whatever. So whatever that is, and you are combining. So yad simply is used in that context in all vibhakti. So in Tritiya Vibhakti, since Tritiya Vibhakti indicates an instrument or a thing that with which we do something, yena, yabhyam, yaihi, those are the forms. But let us look at the ekavachana form first. Aham yena pibami saha chashakaha. Yena, with what? So aham yena pibami, what I am with whatever drinking, that is a glass. Saha chashakaha. So in English, if I want to say with whatever I am drinking is a glass. The same thing in Sanskrita, with something, right? With that, with whatever that is indicated by yena. So aham yena pibami saha chashakaha. With whatever that is that I am drinking, it is a glass. Is this clear?
Yena gacchami sa chagada.
Yena saha gacchami saha, what is that?
Shagadaha.
Shagadaha. With whom I am, whoever that is that I am going with, he is this person. So several of you had difficulties understanding Yad Shabda. So let us go slow. Let us first understand Ekavachana, then Dvivachana and Bahuvachana will become simple. So please ask questions. Sri Vidya Mahodaya, is this example clear?
Mahodaya, एक प्रश्नम् अस्ति.
पृच्छतु.
Dvitiya Vibhakti, how do we use this yaha shabdaha? Because with whom will be again Dvitiya, na? With whom I am going, he is my friend.
Yeah. That is Tritiya Vibhakti. Aham yam pashyami saha mama mitram. Yam pashyami. Whom I am seeing.
Dvitiya.
Veera Mahodaya asked in Dvitiya, right?
Yeah.
Aham yam pashyami saha mama mitram. Saha mama anujaha. Whom I am seeing. Aham yam vadami. To whom I am talking. Saha mama mitraha. Mitram, Kshamata.
So here, Mahodaya, this Chashakaha is in Pratama.
So so these are actually two different sentences, right? Aham yena pibami saha chashakaha. So these two different sentences combined to form one sentence. So just because yena is in Tritiya Vibhakti doesn't mean that the second part of the sentence has to be in Tritiya. This was a doubt that I think Chaitra Mahodaya also had in a previous class. So forget about Sanskrit for a second. Think about it in English. How would you say, with whatever it is that I am drinking, it is a glass. It is a glass. This is whatever this is, whatever with which I am drinking. Same thing in Sanskrita. Aham yena pibami saha chashakaha. So whatever it is that I am drinking with, that is a glass. In Sanskrita, chashaka is a pumlinga, so chashakaha, saha chashakaha.
Is it? is it okay to say, it seems like it's like a question and answer that I'm giving to myself, right? So where instead of kena, it's yena. But it's like I'm asking the question and then I'm answering it. And that's why in the answer, the asti is an implied verb. That's why it's in the Prathama Vibhakti.
It's not a question. It's not a question, it's a clarification.
You can think of it as a question, but it is more like clarification. This object with which I am writing, 1 second, Usha Mahoday. This object so just think about it in English. This object that I am writing with is a pen. Is that a valid statement in English?
Yes.
Yes.
And so it's more of a clarification. This object that I am writing with is purple in color. This pen that I am writing with is purple in color. So I can say that. So the same thing we are saying in Sanskrita. This we will cover Strilinga, but yeah.
That could be aham yena pibami saha mama chashakaha.
Satyam. So assume this is a glass. This is a bottle. I know that. Assume I'm holding up a glass. Aham yena piba. Whatever this thing that I'm drinking with is a glass. It's called a glass. Is that a valid sentence in English?
Yes. Drinking with. Yes.
You don't know what this is. I'm telling you. You've never seen a glass before in your life. I'm telling you.
Then it makes sense.
This thing that I'm drinking with is a glass.
Yeah.
So that is the same thing in Sanskrita. Aham yena pibami. With what I am drinking is a glass.
Is it always with the kriya? Is it always with the verb kriya padam? Like yena pibami or yena kridami, or is it always followed by a verb?
With whatever it is that I'm doing something. Satyam.
Doing. Always doing.
Okay. Aham yena saha gacchami saha mama janakaha. With whom I am going, he is my father.
Okay.
So, Mahoday, the first sentence could have been, with what I am drinking is a glass.
In English, it will be what, but in Sanskrita, we know that words, objects don't necessarily have to be Napumsakalinga.
No, I meant the English sentence. What you written is, what I am drinking with is a glass.
Yeah.
To make it easier, I said, with what I am drinking is a glass.
Satyam. The only reason I use the word with is we are studying Tritiya Vibhakti. So I just wanted to make that association in your mind. Sandeep Mahodaya, Usha Mahodaya, Vijay Menon Mahodaya, is this clear?
Yes. Yeah, it makes more sense for things which we don't know. Then, otherwise a common usage may be like a glass. We would rather say, this is a glass or something, right?
Satyam. So these are all made up examples as used as appropriate. So you understand.
Anumodaya, this yadu shabda, tadu shabda, not necessarily be in the same case, right?
Clarify that with an example. What do you mean by that?
Like you said, aham yabhyam pibami tau chashakau.
Satyam.
So I don't need to use this tau here, right?
Chashakau, you are saying, can I eliminate tau?
Yeah, I mean, like, I don't need that shabda, right? It's not necessary, right?
Correct. We are saying it for clarity. Aham yabhyam pibami chashakau.
No, by the same token, then you don't need aham also, because you know it's pibami.
Satyam. Yena pibami chashakaha. But that is a little bit difficult to understand, that sentence.
Yeah. Okay.
Satyam. If the kriya ends with me, aham is optional. Satya. Because kriya that ends with me, the karta is always aham. It is implied.
Bhanumati, saha and eshaha do tell the distance. So saha says it's far away. So if there is that thing to be said, then that is relevant, right?
Satyam. That is also a good point. If I'm pointing to some faraway object and saying saha chashaka, that is a glass, or eshaha chashaka, this is a glass. Satyam.
So, Bhanumati Mahoday, I want to ask you something. Aham. Now, suppose there's a sentence, aham yena khadami. I see a pattern over here, saha taute and kaha kaha. The ending is all like that, and then there is saha taute also. So, if I have a sentence like, let's say, aham yena khadami saha amra phalam. Okay, that. Then
tat amra.
Okay, tat amra phalam. Amra phalam. Then the next one would be aham yabhyam khadami. So tena tat te amra phalani.
Phale, te amra phale.
Te amra phale. Te amra phale. Phale. Then yaihi khadami.
Tani amra phalani.
Tani amra phalani.
Satyam.
Tat te tani.
Tat te tani. Satyam.
Dhanyavadam.
So, yena yabhyam yaihi. Similar to tena tabhyam taihi, or etena etabhyam etaihi, or ramena ramabhyam ramaihi. So yena pibami with what one thing that I'm drinking with, yabhyam pibami with whatever two things that I'm drinking with, yaihi pibami with whatever many things that I'm drinking with. Yena yabhyam yaihi. Strilinga yaya yabhyam yabihi. With one thing in feminine in Strilinga, with two things that are in Strilinga, with many things that are in Strilinga. Yaya likhati sa lekhani. So whatever the student is writing with, sa lekhani, that is a tense. Yabhyam likhati, with whatever two things she is writing with, those two are tense. Yabhihi likhati, with whatever many things that she is writing with, they are all tense. Sitaya, sitabhyam, sitabhihi, taya, tabhyam, tabhihi, same way, yaya, yabhyam, yabhihi. Yaya, yabhyam, yabhihi. Napumsakalanga is easy. It's the same thing as Pumlinga. Yena, yabhyam, yaihi. Yena prayanam karoti, by which thing that she travels, that's a plane. Yabhyam, with what two things that she travels, those are two planes. Yaihi prayanam karoti, with what many things she travels, those are planes. Yena yabhyam yaihi. Astu, abhyasam kurmah. Sudha Mahoday.
Aham khadami. Spoon is chamasaha. Aham yena khadami saha chamasaha.
Uttamam. Aham yena khadami saha chamasaha. Whatever it is that I am eating with is a spoon. Uttamam. Sri Vidya Mahoday.
Teacher writes, Sikshakaha likhati. What is Chakis? Sudhakandaha. Okay. Sikshakaha yena likhati saha Sudhakandaka.
Uttamam. शिक्षकः येन लिखति सः सुधाखण्डः। उत्तमम्। सुमित्रा महोदय।
आं महोदय। द्रौपदी येन वनं गच्छति सः पाण्डवः।
उत्तमम्। So first do karta and kriya and then add the rest. It was easy in this case, but if you get into that practice, longer sentences will become easy. So Draupadi gacchati and then add the rest of it. पुनः वदतु सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं।
द्रौपदी येन वनं गच्छति सः पाण्डवः।
In this case, you have to use saha, yena saha, right? Along with whom she goes to the forest.
Okay. Draupadi yena saha vanam gacchati saha pandavah.
Uttamam. If you want, so this is one Pandava. If you want to say two Pandavas and many Pandavas, how would the sentence change?
Draupadi yabhyam saha vanam gacchati tau pandavau.
Uttamam, uttamam. Bahuvachane?
Draupadi yaihi saha vanam gacchati te pandavaah.
Uttamam. Draupadi yaihi saha vanam gacchati te pandavaah. Uttamam.
Dhanyam.
Viraj Mahodaya.
Goes to by which the student goes to school is a bicycle. Goes to school gacchati. Then student chatraha. Yena chatraha.
One second. Bicycle is what Sanskrite?
Dvichakrika अथवा
Dvichakrika. Lingam. What is the linga of that? Dvichakrika.
Strilinga ekavachana.
Akaranta Strilinga. So, can you say yena or you have to use something else?
Okay. Yaya chatra kaksham gacchati sa dvichakrika.
Uttamam. Chhatra yaya vidyalayam gacchati sa dvichakrika. Uttamam. Two bicycles and many bicycles?
Chhatra yabhyam vidyalayam gacchati sa te, is it equivalent? Te dvichakrikau.
Dvichakrike. Sa te taha.
Te dvichakrike. Chhatra yabihi vidyalayam gacchati. Tabihi dvichakrikaah.
Uttamam. Tabihi dvichakrikaah. Uttamam.
It can't be tabi, you know. It is taha.
Taha. I misspoke. Taha dvichakrikaah. Taha satyam. Taha dvichakrikaah. Bhagya Mahoday.
Janani
Pariveshayati. Serving serves is
Janani pariveshayati. Janani yena.
Serving spoon is what? Darvi. Ikaranta Strilinga.
Janani Yena. Oh, is it Yena or Yaya Mahodaya?
अत्र पश्यतु द्विचक्रिका अस्ति.
There is no Yaya. It has to be like a Yena. That's what it
Why?
says in the Shikshaka book.
I'm sorry?
Shikshaka book.
I didn't follow.
Dakaranta Strilinga. Shishtam Tat Shabdavat 4-6 Ukhyam. So 4-6 is the Makaranta Pulinga Shabda. Tat Shabda.
Okay, I don't know what I don't know what you are reading, but with what Darvi is Ikaranta Strilinga, so it will be Yaya. We can talk about whatever you are reading after the class.
Janani.
Yeah.
Yaya Saha. Yaya.
Yaya.
Yaya Saha Upaveshayati sir.
Pariveshayati.
Pariveshayati. Sa Darvi.
Janani Yaya Pariveshayati Sa Darvi. Chaitra Mahoday.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
सः यया तालाम् उद्घाटयति. I think it's उद्घाटयति. उद्घाटयति सा कुञ्चिका.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. सः यया तालाम् उद्घाटयति. तालं महोदय, तालः I think. It is not ताला.
तालं.
यया तालम् उद्घाटयति सा कुञ्चिका. द्विवचन and बहुवचन.
सः याभ्यां तालम् उद्घाटयति ते कुञ्चिके. सः याभिः तालम् उद्घाटयति ताः कुञ्चिकाभिः. कुञ्चिकाः.
उत्तमम्.
It is not Yabi, no? It is Keihi, no?
कुञ्चिका एक.
It is he.
सीता सीते सीताः. कुञ्चिका कुञ्चिके कुञ्चिकाः.
Okay.
प्रशांत महोदय.
By which the student studies is a book. The student Chatra study is a book. Pustakam. Sah Pustakam is by which the student Chatra Patati.
Chatra Patati. Pustakam is Napunskalingam.
Napunsakling, yes. Yam. Sorry. Yen. Sorry. Yen.
Yena. Yena. There is no halanta here. Yena. Yabhyam. Yaihi.
Chatra Yena Patati. Sa Pustakam.
Tat Pustakam. Pustakam is
Tat Pustakam.
Napunskalingam.
Sorry. Yes. Tat Pustakam. Sorry.
उत्तमं. छात्रः येन पठति तत् पुस्तकम्. उत्तमं. नारायणन् महोदय.
बालकः येन
क्रीडति.
क्रीडति. बालकः येन क्रीडति तत् कन्दुकम्.
उत्तमं. येन क्रीडति तत् कन्दुकम्. हेमन्ती महोदय. Prashant
I have a question.
One second. Prashant Mahodaya, please mute yourself. Vadatu Hemanti Mahodaya.
So when you use with, do we always use a saha?
No.
So if so balakah yena saha kridati or balakah yena kridati, it doesn't matter?
It matters. Yena saha kridati means playing along with. So in that case, you have to use with a friend, right? He's playing along with his friend. Or he's playing with a friend.
Okay, all right. With what the student travels is a bus. So student travels. So Chatraha travels is a
Prayanam karoti.
Pranam karoti. Okay. Chatraha pranam karoti is a bus. Yanam. Okay. So Napusaklinga. So Chatraha yena prayanam karoti tat yanam.
Uttamam. Lokayanam. Chatraha yena
Lokayanam.
Tat lokayanam.
Tat lokayanam. Okay. Chatraha yena prayanam karoti lokayanam.
Uttamam.
Dhanyavada.
Let us do the Asmat Shabda, which is the Uttama Purusha, last topic. Same thing. With me or by me, the forms are Maya, Avabhyam, and Asmabhi. Chhatraha Maya Saha Vidyalayam Gacchati. The student goes to school with me. Avabhyam Gacchati, with the two of us. Asmabhi Gacchati, with many of us. So, Maya, Avabhyam, Asmabhi. Those are the forms. So, Prathama Vibhakti, Aham, Avam, Vayam. I, the two of us, we, Mam, Avam, Asman. So the same thing in object form. Maya, Avabhyam, Asmabhi. By or with me, by or with the two of us, by or with many of us. Meera Mahoday, Arambham Karatu.
Janakaha Maya Saha Bhojanam Karoti.
Uttamam. Meaning?
Father eats food with me. Eating food with me.
Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam?
Janakaha Avabhyam Saha Bhojanam Karoti. Janakaha Asmabhihi Saha Bhojanam Karoti.
Uttama. With me, with the two of us, and with many people, father eats. Uttama. Sandeep Mahoday.
Saha Maya Saha Patati. Saha Avabhyam Saha Patati. Saha Asmabhi Saha Patati.
Uttamam. Artha kaha?
He reads or is reading with me, along with me, along with the two of us, along with many of us.
Uttamam. Srividya Mahoday. Antimam Karotu.
Sa Maya na kridati.
Maya Vina. Or
Maya,
Saha. Saha or Vina.
Maya Saha na kridati.
Let us use Vina. We have used Saha all day, so let us use Vina in this.
Okay. Sa Maya Vina na kridati. Sa Asmabhyam.
Avabhyam. Maya Avabhyam.
Avabhyam Vina na kridati. Maya Sa Asmabhihi Vina na kridati.
Artha kaha? Meaning?
She will not. She doesn't play without me. She doesn't play without the two of us. and she doesn't play without us.
All of us.
All of us.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Astu. The time samayah bhavat. Let us stop here. If you have any questions, I will stay back after the class for a few minutes. I'm sorry I couldn't get to all of you. Manjula Mahodaya, Surendra Mahodaya, I couldn't get to Ramesh Mahodaya, I couldn't get to all of you. I will make sure you get to practice next time. Astu. Anupama Mahodaya, Mangala Shlokam Karotu Kripaya.
Mahodaya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
Astu, sarvebhyam dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.